Alright guys, what's going on? So last time I made a video, I had just started sanding it. Now I've sanded the whole truck. I'm in the process of doing some body work. Filling this in with Bondo. Hopefully it doesn't fall out. But I think this is like my third pass with Bondo now, so like there was a lot to fill. It's looking better. I just gotta wait for this to dry. And then I can sand off that layer, put another one on. This is all good to go pretty much. It's kind of raining out right now, so it's not ideal. But yeah, so just waiting on that to dry. And then tomorrow's supposed to be nice, so if all goes well and I finish the body work today, tomorrow will be paint day. I'm gonna paint from like here down, rocker guard black. That's gonna be the first step, and then once that dries, then I'm gonna paint the whole thing white, like over top the rocker guard, just because these cab corners, they're starting to surface rust, so I figure if I throw some rocker guard down, it might protect it a little bit longer. So that's that. We gotta paint the hubs black. A bunch of parts came in this week. My adapters are here, so I could technically throw the wheels on, but I'm still waiting for the leveling kit, so I want to get that in first before I toss the wheels on. But like, maybe while I'm like, I don't know, I need to shave all these studs down for the adapters. But one thing at a time. This week will probably just be painting the truck, and then next week I'll toss the leveling kit on. That should be here. Yeah. So there's some Bondo there, some down there, down there. It's coming along. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on where the truck is right now. And yeah, just gotta do a couple more passes on that. And once the body work's done, wash all the sand off and hopefully get to it tomorrow. Alright, so little update. I've painted the rocker guard on. I did this side up and covered up a lot of stuff. Like, you can't really see where I did the body work back here, which is good. Here there's still a little something. I never did body work there, I don't think. I don't even remember now. But it didn't really matter how accurate I did these lines, because I'm painting white over top of it anyway. I just wanted to put this stuff to kind of, you know, hopefully stop the rust a little bit. So there's that side, and then this side, same thing. I left this section here because I still got to sand this down and finish up with this. I put another coat on there. I don't know how many more times I'm gonna need to do this, but like, it's getting to the point where it's almost good enough. It's just like I just need a little bit more on the inside here to kind of like make it a straight line down the cab. But once this is all sanded down good, then I can tape this little area off right here, get that with rocker guard, let it sit overnight, and then, I mean, I guess I'll pick up the supplies I need for paint tonight or this afternoon, and yeah, I can bang out this paint job tomorrow. Yeah, I do need to paint these hubs black like I did with the other truck. They're just kind of covered in dirt right now because I don't want to, because with the fuels, this whole hub will be sticking through front and back, so it's got to at least look like dark, not this rusty, dirty stuff. So yeah, kind of sucks I won't be able to use center caps, because the center caps are kind of what makes them look really good, but it's all good. So I'm just gonna let this dry for a little bit longer. Like, this is actually, it's ready to sand now, but I need this paint to dry, or the rocker guard to dry a little bit, so that so that like when the dust comes down, it's not just sticking on there. So it needs to be a little bit like, it's pretty good honestly, but I'll just let it sit for another like, I don't know, 20 minutes, then I'll get to sanding this, see if it needs another coat. All right, so as you can see, it did clear up. I think it's supposed to start raining again in like an hour or two for a couple hours, and then tomorrow's nice, and then we're into the 20s again, which is sweet. But yeah, so it's finally done on this side. Obviously it's not perfect, but way better than having a big dent there. So I just threw a quick coat down of rocker guard there. Gotta do one more, and then that's it. I threw some primer down in some spots where there was some deep scratches. I doubt that's going to do anything at all. I don't know. I thought it was a good idea though. So yeah, pretty much now is just, it's ready. Tomorrow or after the rocker guard dries, I'll give it a rinse off tonight to get all the particles and stuff, anything that's left over, because like the windows, they're covered, so there's obviously dust everywhere. But other than that, it's good to start spraying. So I'm gonna do rattle cans. I'll grab the supplies tonight, and it should be pretty good, I hope. I'm leaving the hood. The hood doesn't need it. There's like minor imperfections up front, but like overall it's a good hood. So I'll just prop that open while I'm spraying the fenders. I'm not going to do this part because this is all still good. So it's basically just like the fenders, everything but the hood in this part here. So yeah, just gotta let that dry. She's ready. It is on. She's ready to go. I'll pick up some supplies tonight and tomorrow's paint. The only thing I'm worried about is the wind. It seems to come in gusts pretty good right now, so we will see what happens. Looking forward to it. All right, so next day. It's beautiful out. It's not windy yet. It's 8 in the morning. So time to get cracking on this thing. I picked up all the stuff last night. Show you what I got. Okay, so in here I got 8 cans of white. These are like the 25% plus cans, so they're kind of bigger. And then I also have like an extra one, maybe half of one in the shed. So there's that. And then I grabbed some more gloves, some plastic sheets for tape for covering the windows, and some green tape, a couple rolls, and 3 cans of clear coat. This was all they had. I also have like another can and a half in the shed, so I don't know if that'll be enough, but this is what we're working with. All this stuff cost me like 85 bucks. It was supposed to be like 130, 140, but then I got a discount, and yeah, so let's start taping off. Tyler's gonna come and help me, and let's get to it. Got the back window started taped. I'm just waiting for Tyler so he can hold up sheets while I tape. Door handles taped, mirrors taped, tailgate thing taped. Haven't gotten to the windshield yet. I kind of started, but I just gotta do the same thing on the other side. Surprisingly, this window took the longest. These edges are really hard to get around, so yeah. I think I'm gonna start spraying the box right now, just because all that back half is ready to go. So ready to go. I've started on the other side. Let's do this. 2 coats in or something. We've just lost track, or I've lost track. There's no way.
On this side, it's a 3rd coat.
Must be doing light coats then.
That's what you do the first few coats.
Oh, okay. Well, usually I only do a few coats.
That's true.
So yeah, it's coming along. Are about 4 coats in? 5 coats in?
Yeah, 5, I think, 4 and a half, 5.
Something like that. It's pretty much one more coat and it'll be done. I've done a little bit less on the roof, but it doesn't really need it. Getting some nice engine bay paint, overspray. Painted the hubs. Alright, so I just slapped down the last coat. I think that's pretty much it. Tyler went home. He had stuff to do, but huge shout out to him. He helped me out here really good. So, yeah, this is all white. I just gotta clear coat it now. I'm probably gonna start on the other side. As you can see, we had some good overspray on the wipers. Whatever, it doesn't matter. God, I need to clear the lights now. My fault for not taping them all the way up. So yeah, I'm gonna start clear coat on this side now, and pretty much use all these cans, and then wet sand and buff after I'm done everything. Not today, another day, but go to clear coat. Right away I noticed that the clear coat's like a way thinner, which I didn't know, so I got runs right away. Which kind of sucks, but it's whatever, I guess. And it's also being more streaky. I don't know. Anyways, one coat of that's done. So I just got to do, basically, I got, this one's like half, and then I've got 2 full ones. So I guess I'll just keep clear coating till those are all gone, and then that'll be it. Then I can pack all this stuff up, and yeah. Second clear coat is on. Let that sit for a few minutes, and it's done. Peel off everything, put it back together, all good. All the tape's off. Turned out all right. I guess I'll see what happens when I buff it in a week or 2. Maybe that'll make a huge difference. And like the hood, I can't really tell if there's just overspray all over it or it's just dust. Okay, well, there's that. So yeah, turned out all right. Definitely looks better than brush and roller, but it definitely shows a lot more than brush and roller. Like all the dents and stuff, and obviously the body's not perfect on this thing, so it's all wavy and lumpy, and bodywork's not my special suit. So, but on the bright side, the cab corner looks a lot better than it did. So I don't know. Truck looks all right. Looks like a $1,400 truck, I guess. But yeah, so leveling kit hopefully next week, and then wheels. The adapters are here. I just gotta go pick them up. So yeah, stay tuned for that, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.